I'm Debbie from NVArtStops and My Thousand Words and Lambent Arts, here to install a project that we have been working on for the wetlands. We've chosen Vern's Pond to have a sculpture of a tree with a girl on a swing reading a book, and it's going to be a mother sitting in the tree with her daughter. It started out as just one sculpture, but then we changed the style of the tree. So we actually had to make a smaller girl, but the girls were made and we thought, why not just use them? So we're very excited to be here, and I hope that you guys all enjoy it. The whole sculpture is made from biodegradable materials: paper, cardboard, wood, rope, that is all biodegradable. So I really hope you like it, and thanks for coming out here.